Hello and a very warm welcome to another episode of Metro Heights. I'm your host Athar. कैसे हैं आप लोग सब viewers? Well, viewers, today we are in southern part of India, and the city that we are covering today is Coimbatore. And the shop that we are going to explore in today's episode is Butterscotch Women, and we have with us Vasudha ji. So welcome back, Vasudha ji, to
Thank
Metro
you.
Heights, and welcome one and all of you. And those who have subscribed to our channel, thank you so very much. And those who haven't, please do so by hitting the bell icon for more notifications and more such videos. Well, viewers, now you must be, if you recall, Vasudha ji has one more brand in the name of Nuggets Kids. So she initially started, doing video shoots in kids wear, okay? And slowly and gradually, I think she used to watch lot many videos on on different channels and Metroids, of course, and
Yes.
she got so much influenced that she started adults wear also. She entered adults wear segment as well. So viewers, I think this is our second episode in adults wear, okay, of adults wear, and it's going to be a very special episode because everything on the shelf is in pure cotton and ikkats.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and we have some noodle strap also, midis also, frock style, one piece suits, tunics, short kurtis. There is so much to come, viewers. So please stay tuned throughout the episode. Do not skip the video. Now, a few common things and terms and conditions before we actually kick off. COD option will not be available. Only online payments are permitted. Now she has come up with wholesale buying option as well. So now for wholesale buying option, she is going to elaborate on that topic. I won't be speaking much.
Yeah.
I will not be taking so much of time. But the prices that are going to be announced in today's video are going to be retail prices, okay? Which means single piece price. No refund, no exchange policy, which every store has, so does this. So please follow the rules and regulations of the business. Parcel opening video is anytime mandatory, viewers. Make it a practice because we shop, most of the time we shop online. Okay? So it's mandatory to have a parcel opening video because in case if you come across any kind of manufacturing defect, you can easily highlight it with the support of it. Okay, and life becomes simpler. Okay, and delivery is as usual across the globe. And I think that's it. I'm done with almost all the points.
Yeah.
So without any further delay, I give control to Vasudha ji. Let her introduce herself
Sure.
and her upcoming segment,
Sure.
even the wholesale term and condition.
Yes, I
Over
will.
to you, Vasudha ji.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Yeah. I always start my conversation with a thank you note for all that you have been
Yes,
showing back to us.
Yeah.
And this time, I think the gratitude has grown one size bigger. I'm not sure if I have grown one size bigger.
It really is a good thing actually.
Yep, I had my debut episode last time. Just one video.
One video,
Yeah.
yes.
And I was kind of, we've seen the kind of genres that you have generally covered in your channel. I was not sure if everyday wear, office wear, everyday wear, regular wear kind of outfits are received well by, your
Our clients,
yeah.
yes.
But to my surprise, you won't believe after the last video got released and probably like after 10 days, I was just stuck blank. I blanked out completely because of the enormous reach I had, enormous love that you guys showed, and not knowing what I'm going to, narrow down on in terms of my
yes.
products.
Very true,
Because
very true.
across all of these items that I showed last time, it had like good
Very good
response
response.
from, yeah.
And of course, fabrics also, the quality of fabric really matters. And she has good quality fabric, as I can see. I can vouch for the fabric because last time also we had seen so many, kurtis in cotton fabric. So I think I can vouch for it. And even today's episode is going to have very colorful,
Collection.
collection.
Yes.
So please buy as many articles as you can. Buy for yourself, for your family, your relatives, or for gifting purpose and for your office purposes. So it's like
Yep.
multi
And
thing.
so thank you so much
Yeah.
for all that you have done. And so I was trying to like understand what you like, what you don't like, what you want more. So I've added according to your wishes and requests.
Yeah.
So I hope the video does justice to all the requests that you had
It's
previously.
going to do. Acha, one more important point, viewers, I forgot to mention about free shipping. So on retail orders, you will get free shipping, but on only orders above value 1,500.
Yes.
Below 1,500, it's going to be charged on actual basis. Okay.
Yeah.
So that was missing.
Yeah.
And I think, could you please also tell
About the wholesale option, yes.
Option, yes.
Yeah. So what we are majorly retail people even now,
Mm-hmm.
but what there have been like so many requests from across the globe for
Mhm.
people wanting to like take stuff from me in
Mhm.
wholesale. So what I've started doing is that the moment I have my sample out, there is a particular section on the website called sneak peek. So you go there and see if you like something, if you want to
Sneak
like,
peek, na?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
So you can then, you know, choose the sizes that you want also. Like if you want 3Ms, 1L, 2 double XL,
Oh, assortment you mean to say?
yeah, however you want. You know, if you don't want to like have double XL at all, skip it. If you just want to like have focus on SML, you can do that the way you want.
Oh, okay.
But this is just going to be you know, a sample that we will have picture of on the website, and based on your order we're going to make and deliver it to you. And the same
Yeah.
pieces also I'll have in my retail. So the advantage that you're getting is that I would have always like done the market research, understanding, you know, fit check and everything before I come up with a sample or put it up in the website. So you can know that these are going to be like pieces that are going to sell out really well.
Yeah,
So,
very good, very good.
yeah.
So I think that's a great relief actually for the buyers when she mentioned you can pick up the sizes of your own.
Yes.
Yeah, like XL or double XL. You can skip small,
Yeah.
medium.
Yeah.
It's a great relief actually.
Yeah.
So if you're buying from, you know, majority of in majority of cases it happens that, you know, you have to buy set wise that will have all the sizes, and then slowly and gradually you realize that at the end of the year, or, you know, quarterly, when you take a stock statement, then there are few sizes which are dead.
Yeah.
Okay, non-moving items. Then you have to come out with a stock
We
clearance
all
sale.
face the issue. I have
So
faced
that's
the
the
issue.
major challenge actually, you know, when you deal in cloth business.
Always.
So I think just to mitigate this, so she has come up with this, you know, choice which is which I think which will be well accepted by you guys.
Yep.
Okay. So I think let's get started. I
Sure,
think.
sure.
Yeah. All right.
We
Start with-
and tunics.
Okay,
And,
tunics.
yeah, and then
All right.
we'll look at short kurtis, and then kurta sets, quad sets, and three-piece sets.
Sounds
This is what
good.
we're going to
You
cover.
can pull out. Yeah.
So the first up is a crop top. Crop tops were crowd favorite last time, so we've added one new in crop top in a very good, beautiful pink combination, priced at 699. Has beautiful collared and pleating details toward the end, and then you have a short puff sleeve,
Yeah.
so you can comfortably wear it for your
And it
regular
has puff
grinds.
on the shoulders as well, which gives a very smart look.
Yep.
And those, you know, ruffle kind of, you know, overlapping of this cloth.
Yeah.
Stitching is also looking very beautiful.
Yes, it's our flagship is our stitching quality and
Yeah,
the
stitching
fit,
quality.
and you can see the kind of fit from what
Yes,
I'm
yes.
wearing already.
Even this is your manufacturing,
Yes,
no?
it is.
Good, good, good. So what was the price?
The price is 699.
699, and sizes are from
We have from 34 to 44.
34 to 44.
Yes.
Very good, very good.
XS to double XL, and if you're a wholesale buyer, if you want to like take one size down also or go up to 3XL, we can still make it happen for you.
All right.
And next up is another embroidered, beautiful cambric cotton top, and has beautiful butter, mushroom embroidery details.
Yeah.
Comes with Peter Pan collar, done in Hakoba fabric.
Hakoba fabric, pure
And
cotton,
yeah, that's the back of the
back of the top.
yeah. Priced at 849.
849.
Yeah.
Pure cotton fabric, viewers. So please be rest assured the quality of the fabric is very nice.
Yes.
Okay?
And the fit is going to be amazing,
Yeah,
and
a
that's what
fit.
our customers told us.
Exactly.
I've deprived people of collection for a very long time. I had tons of messages asking when is your next collection coming up. So there you go, people. So this is a linen. You can touch and feel the fabric. Linen fabric,
Linen
good
cotton,
quality.
yeah.
Yes, good quality linen, pure fabric again. Has like a high neck in the
Yeah,
front.
it's like a peplum style short kurti.
Yes.
And with this kind of smocking on the sleeves.
Yes, smocking on the sleeves, and then you have plenty of pleats. So this is going to like flow with air. If, I'm just holding it here so you can see the amount of fabric used.
Yes.
So it's going to be like really nice when you wear it on top of jeans and trousers.
Yeah.
Priced at 945, justice to the fabric that we have used.
All right. Next.
This is a viscose cotton shirt that you can wear for formals.
Beautiful. It
That
has
you can
embroidery.
wear on casuals. Cute cherry embroidery. Looks very pretty and beautiful, dainty when you wear it actually. Has nice collars if you want to like wear it for formal purposes. And the back has a beautiful patchwork.
Hakoba patch.
Yes.
Very beautifully done and in triangle shape.
Yeah.
Something very different, uncommon.
Yeah.
So this kind of, minute detailing really enhances the beauty of the article.
Outfit when you wear
Outfit,
it.
yes.
Yes. You
So,
stand out. Our
exactly.
intention is for you to stand out, feel confident
Seriously,
in
and
wear.
you see the shirt is normal looking.
Yes.
But when you take the reverse side, It has a patch of shift leaf. It really makes it smart.
Yes.
Very nice. What's the price and size?
The price is 899, and definitely a bang for the buck. You know, if you want to like wear it for office and stuff. Okay.
Good, good, good. So 34 to 44 sizes.
34 to 44,
Yeah.
correct. And you can, I think.
Tell me
Mr.
something. All the categories are going to have 34 to 44?
All the categories will have
Very good,
34 to
very good, very
44.
good, very good.
No
So I think
exceptions at all.
College going girls, please pay attention. आपके मतलब की भी चीज है यहाँ पे.
We also
ठीक है?
have teen customers who
अच्छा.
fit into these sizes.
Seriously?
And yeah, and one more thing is something that people took advantage of from our last video is the 1-inch allowance that you have on all our outfits. Like, you know, you have 1 inch on both the sides, which means you
Margins.
can, yeah, you can open it up to 4 inches. 2 inches on this side and 2 inches on this side. So 44 can become 48 also. So 3XL people, if you want to still have it,
Seriously?
yeah,
I mean, in all the categories.
in all the categories.
So when you say, okay, I got your point. So if you say if it is 44, it can be extended to 48.
Yes.
So it's a free size.
Yeah. And people have taken advantage of this last time. We ourselves got it, you know, pulled up to sizes 46 and 48 and given to people. So I know this is definitely possible.
Nice.
Okay.
Good concept. And it has this kind of, ruffles on the sleeves
Yeah.
and on the neckline.
Yes, a very pretty top again. Nice, minute florals.
Yeah.
Look very enhanced when you start.
Now it has stitching also on the yoke portion.
Yeah, this is not button. It's not openable.
Yeah, it's not
it's
open.
completely closed.
Yeah.
And then you have pleating on your
Great.
neckline, and then you have some ruffles on the sleeves as well, elbow sleeves, and then that's the back of the outfit.
Good.
The price of the article is 799.
799. All right.
So we have added a lot of collections in under 1500 ranges, so you can easily like add as many as you want in your cart. So this is a poplin top. I think the sound will tell you if it's poplin.
Yes, it's poplin. Very good quality.
Yeah.
And it has pin tuck detailing on the necktie and wooden buttons. And
These are metal buttons.
Acha, metal is it?
Yeah.
Okay, metal buttons. Sorry.
Yeah.
And
Semi-openable. You can open it
again
up
the pin tuck
to
on the
yoke. Yoke, and easily wear it because of the high neck we've given, extended up to the yoke length, and then you have nice
this kind of
tucked
pin-
up
pin
sleeve,
tuck.
which
sort
is
of pin tuck detailing.
yeah, which will go up to your wristband.
Wrist.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the back, and then people who carry weight around the tummy can definitely make advantage of this because you have these pleated detailing which will open up and down based on what your structure is.
Wait.
Okay. So these pleats, even if you're pregnant, you can still like wear these outfits.
Okay. What size are you holding?
I'm holding. Let me just check. This is L.
L.
Yeah.
All right. That
And
is
the-
40 size.
Yes. And the price of the article is 799.
799.
Yeah.
All right. Next.
Now we are moving towards short kurtis, which will fall below your hip. So this is going to be the length of all of these articles in most cases. If there are deviations, I'll let you know.
This is print or embroidery?
This is actually print,
Print.
but
It appears to be embroidery.
looks like embroidery.
Yeah. I was confused.
So I kind of choose prints which are different and which will also like give you that kind of a vibe.
Resembles to that
Yeah,
embroidery.
because I'm not a big fan of huge embroidery work
yeah.
because you wash it a couple of times, it starts like coming out. So I kind of like try to move to pieces which can stay with you and that you can wear as many times as you want. Like
South India, I think it's more of prints. North India is like more of embroidery.
embroidery work. These are like regular wear, so you can like wear it as many times you want.
Good.
So this is a short kurti. You have piping detailing in the neckline. You have nice slit in the sleeves. That will make way for showing off your arm candies. Price at 799. Very very reasonable.
Good.
Yeah. This is a top, no? Yeah. So next up is also the top that I am wearing. Handloom fabric. This is completely woven.
woven.
Yeah, you can see the back.
Yeah, it's completely woven, viewers.
Yeah.
No print.
Yeah. And handloom generally looks very smart. You
Very
can
smart.
carry it for office for sure. You can
Yeah.
also like wear it casually like I am wearing right now.
Yes.
So the price of the article is 999. You have like neat V,
Collar.
flat collared V, and then you have a nice opening sleeves that will fall until your
Wristband.
wrist, 3/4 sleeves essentially. So 999 is the price of the article.
Okay.
And then you have another short kurti again. This is also going to look very nice with wide fitted or boot cut jeans. The look actually like comes out when you wear it with boot cut jeans. So this is a cheese cotton short kurti. Uh, yeah, the yoke is cotton lined, and then you have again pleats on both the sides of the short kurti to make way for any weight that you're carrying around the hip. So very friendly for people who are hourglass or pear shape. It's going to look very beautiful. The price of the article is 749.
So now this one, very colorful kurti.
Yes, but something has gone up. வேற பீஸ் எடுக்க முடியுமாடா இதுல இல்ல இது ஒன்று தான் வந்திருக்குதா இருக்குதா we have another short kurti in flex cotton. The print is very pretty. You have a daman kind of a short kurti which also flows in the sleeves as well, which is a 3/4 sleeve. And you have cute, you know, nimki detailing in the yoke portion. Just pops out and makes the outfit look even more beautiful. 799 is the price of the short kurti.
All right.
Okay, and then we have another short kurti. This is rayon.
Rayon.
Foiled rayon. You have foiling detail, you know, going all over the short kurti. And then it has a beautiful collar, but not fully closed. It's just going to open up and make you like easy and breezy to carry it off. Price is 699.
699. Next.
We have another short kurti. This is one more short kurti in the same price bracket. A similar detailing, but it has like frilly neckline, and then you have 3/4 sleeves, which also has a slit towards the end. And then the length is of, I think, 30 inches approximately. But if you want like exact sizes, you can always like reach out to us for exact measurements. We're happy to share. Same price, 699.
699. So these are all retail prices. For wholesale price list, you may get in touch with our team. They will share you on one-on-one basis. We cannot reveal wholesale prices purely due to commercial reasons. All right.
So these are now Kantha cotton short kurtis. I think you can pull all the 4 sizes, 4 colors. So the
Achha,
first,
it has all kantha stitch, na?
yes,
All over.
yes, and has like you know beautiful flat collar,
Yeah,
high
Mandarin
neck,
type
Mandarin type detailing, and then this opens up to half of the yoke length, and again you have like frills towards the second half of the short kurti.
Yes.
So you can like easily wear it if you are, you know, pear shaped, or if you're like carrying huge weight around your hips, pregnant and all of that. So we have 4 the sleeves is slightly different. It has an upward V if you closely see, or if you want
Achha,
pictures.
हाँ.
And
Minute
looks-
detailing.
yeah, it
This is
looks
called-
smart when you
It looks
wear.
smart.
Yeah.
It has slight V.
Yeah,
I just noticed, na?
and has like minute puffs also towards the
minute
top.
puffs, yeah.
Looks
Very
very
nice.
smart when
Very
you
smart.
wear.
Yeah.
749, 4 color options here. One is this mustard, then we have a grey,
Yes.
and then we have a purple, and then we have pink, and then you have ink blue. All of these are priced at 749.
749. Article.
This is, I think we're starting with all of the dresses now.
Midis, na?
Yeah, midi dresses, which will come below your knees, 44 to 45
Ankle
inches
length.
length approximately. And this is also one of the most loved categories from last video. So we've just like added some flavors here this time.
Angrakha neck.
Angraka neck, and then you have kali cutting.
Kali
right?
cuttings,
In the, you know, it's going to like make you look very slim and trimmed down. The back is like very simple, straightforward. And then you have a little bit of tassel detailing also. The
Tassel
neck
detailing.
is lace line.
Crochet laces.
Yes. And the price is 899.
899.
Yeah.
All right. Next.
Next, we have a very beautiful printed fabric. It has the effect of gouache painting, if you know of gouache painting, like oil painting kind of texture. But this is like all printed only. And the front portion is simple.
This is the front portion.
Yeah, a round neck, and then you have elbow sleeves, which has a little bit of, you know, this kind of
V.
detailing. And then you have ties if you want to like cinch it to your waist and wear it. Has pockets, so definitely a must-buy article.
Must-buy article, yes.
899. Then this is a very pretty, you know, Alia styled, again midi dress. Has 3/4 sleeves, right? And then it,
Beautiful.
Yeah, and then you have again for same 899 price range. So you have like Alia cut, and then you have a neckline like this. Has pockets, does not have any lining. This is the back. It looks very smart when you wear.
Don't move on. Mesmerizing color, mesmerizing midi, mesmerizing looks. I mean, there is so much in this kurti. Simple yet elegant looking. And the
Yeah.
color, above all, is unmatched. Seriously.
Yeah. Um, so I think I can. You can already see the kind of detailing it has. It has a very,
It is
you know,
such a nice color, Vasudha. Seriously. Eye soothing color.
pleated flat neckline, and then you have a V cut here. You have elbow sleeves,
Elbow
cute, and then
sleeves.
comes with a pocket. Same 899 price range.
Very nice. Must buy midi viewers. And the best part is that, women entrepreneurs or male entrepreneurs working, operating from homes and shops, they can buy in wholesale with this kind of choice she is giving.
Yep.
You can skip sizes and buy.
Yep.
Good.
So next up are half lined, half
What is this
yoke lined.
fabric?
This is again cambric cotton.
Very nice quality core fabric. It's above cambric cotton actually. Yeah.
The yoke is half lined,
Half
and
lined.
then comes in a very pleasant, nice to carry for everyday wear kind of purpose. And then you have, tie detailing to cinch it to your waist and get a shape. And then the price is, I think, 1095.
Good.
The next one is also yoke lined, doesn't have lining towards the second half. Okay, has a V neck, and then the same price 1095. You have
This
three
puffy
fourth,
sleeves,
yeah,
yeah.
3/4 length sleeves. Black is something that you can always have in the wardrobe. So if you're looking to add a black midi dress, you can definitely go for this one.
All right.
Now we have another category that sold out fast from the last video.
Katha stitching.
Yes, kantha and 2 layers.
2 layers.
So again, this time we've played around with the kind of layer
You have this kind of lining inside.
completely lined, and the lining is also very nice quality, right? And then you have elbow length
Cut
sleeves
sleeves,
with
yes.
cuts, and then beautiful neckline like this, which creates a nice texture when you actually like put it against your body and see. It looks very beautiful.
It's like body hugging fabric.
Yeah, it looks very nice and sophisticated when you wear it. We had like very nice, good feedbacks from customers who purchased it last time, and then I think there were people who commented on the same video only that the fit was like nice, so made me happy. And then you have
Belt.
tie to cinch it to your waist, and then you can just definitely flaunt it for your everyday wear purpose.
Yes.
The next is again a mauve color. Looks very beautiful, subtle, and classy when you wear it. The yoke has a different print, though skirt portion has a different print. You have elbow length sleeves with pleated ends, and then you have tie. The back looks very
Elegant, yeah.
yeah.
It's like English frock.
Yes.
Basically, English frocks has this kind of structure.
Yep. So the price of all of these articles are 1499. So we had it at 1599 last time around. I just wanted to make it even more affordable for people who really loved it. So we worked out with some scales and stuff. So we were able to get this efficiency with
These
kind
are
of
all English styled midis, huh? Viewers must buy viewers.
Yep.
For every day.
So again, this is a play of prints. You have
Katha, na?
all of these are kantha prints. So the yoke has a different print, and then you have a segregated midi portion, and then you have a back.
What will be the length, approximate length?
44 to 45.
44 to 45.
Approx.
All right.
Which is good enough for somebody to wear it. For my height, I'm 163.54, so it comes until here for me. So you can probably make your judgment accordingly.
All right.
1499 is the price of the article. The sleeve has this slit, right? It's an elbow sleeve. Okay, and then you have one more green, a pleasant one that is again good for your everyday wear purposes. Like it has 2 layers, and then the back is straightforward. The neck is really nice here. It's not
Glass neck.
Yeah. Nice for pear shaped body again. That kind of neckline. Again 1499 is the price. And then you have a peach frock.
Peachish pink.
Yes. And you have, a bold print towards the end and then a lighter print, subtle one towards the top. We just like played around with prints and patterns this time. You have pleated detailing, and then the back looks like this. 1499 again.
All right.
Okay.
What's next?
We have cord sets, pretty ones. We have regular casual ones also. We have things that you can, flaunt for a dinner or gathering with your friends or school runs and things like that. So we have for multiple purposes. Everything is intentional for some purpose or the other. So this is one such very sober piece that you can wear for everyday purpose. A simple, a straightforward short kurta. You can wear it as cords, or if you want to like wear it with jeans or stuff, you can do it. So has
zigzag pants.
Yeah, zigzag pants, which are straight fit, semi plazo type pants.
Cotton.
Yeah, this is all like completely cotton.
So could you please open it and show the fitting, so that people get a fair idea of the fitting. So this is the Areva. This is a comfort fit pant.
Yes. Any day.
Yeah. Fully elasticated.
Yeah. So these are kinds of outfits that you can just like go for, just your hands will ask to take those stuff outfits and then wear for everyday purpose. That's what is happening with our daily grinds. So you want comfort, you want confidence, and you want good fit. You want to like feel good at the end of the day.
Exactly.
So this is 1299.
Very nice.
This is the back if I haven't shown.
Yes. Next.
This is a very pretty again quad set in black. I think it's the same style of pants as well, but we can open and see this. Short putty length, quads.
Pure cotton.
Pure cotton. It has collar detailing. It has these folded up,
rolled up sleeves with cloth button detailing, and it's U-cut, I think, or straight cut.
It's the front portion is slight
apple cut.
Yeah, slight apple, but it's not rounded.
It's not round. It's a curve actually.
It's a curved cut.
Curved cut.
Looks very smart when worn.
The print is very smart.
Yeah, and this is comfort.
The culotte.
Yeah, palazzo type of.
Yeah, it's a culotte.
So you can definitely like wear it for your everyday purposes. The price is 1399.
We'll take the picture later on. Next.
Next up we have, this is what I refer to when I said, you have for multiple purposes. This is for something that you can like. Now we have another beautiful quad set in waistcoat and palazzo pant style, done in Hakoba fabric. The upper portion also has embroidery work going on. Beautiful, I think, MOP button detail.
Waistcoat fitting.
Yes, looks very smart. I think you can refer to the Instagram page for model pictures and you will know how exactly these are going to like fit on your body. You have, front band and then back elastic. So, even if you want to wear it with like short crop tops or t-shirts, tuck it in, this can be like versatile, multi-purpose kind of outfit. Priced at, I think, 1699.
So these are all pre-washed fabrics, no shrinkage.
No shrinkage. Okay. Even if it happens, it will be like very minimal. It will not like
very too much.
Get very tight for you to like not wear it later. And yeah, this is completely cotton lined inside, which is something that I forgot to mention. You have pockets also on the sides, so you can definitely like
put your. And it has box pleats on the sides.
Yes.
Which gives a very nice fitting.
Yes.
So next
is what I'm wearing right now. Very pretty quad set.
Yeah.
This is of poplin cambric fabric. And then the top is cotton line completely.
Figure motif.
Very pretty. I think this is one of the best prints that I have in today's collection. Has a straight fit palazzo type pant, comfort fit pants again. Comes with pockets in the pant, and then you have a V-neck, and then you have a slit in the 3/4 sleeves. Priced it 1599.
1599. All right. So next segment.
So next we're going to see some premium midi dresses.
Premium midi dresses. So what do you mean by premium? The fabric is premium?
The fabric will be premium, and then the cuts will be more premium. You will have like more work, more cuts going on, some difference, something that would have increased the labor to an extent that, it's kind of apart from the regular casual
and,
wear
and
outfits.
but more importantly, it's mull cotton.
Yep, it's mull cotton.
Mull cotton.
Yep.
And it has frills here. It's
Yeah, which is what I said. It's going to be like little,
extras.
Yeah. So you have frilly detailing, like you said. You have multiple cullies going on. You have a beautiful yoke which has a deep U neck, and then you have sleeves like this,
Three-quarter
3/4.
sleeves,
Yeah.
yeah.
And then the back has a cute pothole, and then you can tie it at the back. And the price of the outfit is 1645.
1645.
45.
Yeah. Beautiful
Yep.
bluish gray.
Bluish gray. I think a lot of these are brands like West Side inspired, but but we wanted to like bring it in much more affordable range for people to buy and wear and experience such premium quality fabrics. So this is again very nice quality cambric cotton.
It is
with
seriously, viewers. It's very nice quality cotton fabric. Very nice, long lasting.
yeah, and
it
has embroidery all over.
Pintuck detailing and loopy neck style
Yeah,
laces.
yeah. You have pentuck neck, like you said, loopy detailing, and then I think frilly sleeves, completely, I think, embroidered midi portion. The back is plain, looks very elegant and
Chiffly
classy.
work.
Yeah, when you wear it, priced at 1999, comes completely with lining, and you can compare this with prices that you will get in brands like Westside, and then I think you will know the kind of prices that we are giving it out at. Modal cotton fabric. Okay, again, you can touch and feel the fabric, you will see.
No, it's very good quality cotton, viewers. आप थक जाओगे लेकिन ये फैब्रिक नहीं थकेगा. ये नहीं थकेगा फैब्रिक. जितना भी धोगे वो ऐसे ही के वैसे ही रहेगा.
Yeah, according to me, a 500 rupees outfit worn 3 times is much more expensive than a 1500 rupees worn in outfit which is worn 20 times, 30
20
times.
times 30.
Yeah,
Yes,
you can
yes.
do the math. I think it's a simple logic. So I go by that principle. I'm a mindful spender, so I make my outfits to that expectation. So the yoke is again very nice, deeply rounded neckline. You have nice 3 elbow length sleeves. The yoke has a different 2 portions. The top portion has the regular cut, and then you have nice pin tucks towards the tie. The beauty of the outfit is how you can wear it like versatile because of this addition called a super extra sized tie, which you can put in the front and wear also, which will then hide all your pin tucks and create a different look. And then when you wear it at the back, it's going to give you a different look again. So that's the purpose, as much versatile as possible to make an outfit, so you can like wear it for multiple occasions.
All right.
2 layers, looks very classy and elegant when you wear it. Price at 1699 for a fully lined midi length dress. This is like extremely reasonable. So again, something that you can add to your cart without any second thoughts.
Exactly.
So another premium quality fabric. This is cotton linen. I think the texture will say it out loud. You have hakoba top, frills towards the upper half of the midi attachment, and then you have the same kind of back but with a cute little keyhole detailing button. And then you have pockets, I think, on the sides as well. Most of the midi length dresses will come with pockets, so I think that's an added advantage if you want to like put in your regular items inside, phones and money.
Yes, yes.
So 1799 is the price of the article. The yoke portion is cotton lined, the bottom portion isn't, but there isn't any requirement.
ठीक है.
Yeah. Now, I think the last of the midi length dresses, and
strap.
for sure my favorite.
Yes,
Because
even my
of
favorite.
multiple-
I like this kind of outfits.
We are coming up with like more of such collections.
I think I would suggest going forward you come out with this full set, dupatta, midi, this noodle strap and pants, because in northern part of clients, northern India clients, they need dupatta also.
Dupatta also, but
Yeah.
this is not the intention
But I
of
think
this
the
outfit.
weather is too hot in south, so people don't prefer.
Yeah.
I mean, because of the humid weather and very extreme hot weather. But I think in comparatively north has not. it doesn't have that kind of weather condition.
True. And the purpose of those outfits are for like everyday purpose. The
Uh-huh.
purpose of this is for
Daily
vacation.
wear.
Vacation wear.
Vacation.
Because you have this wrap around, which you probably haven't noticed.
Its head is a wrap around.
Yeah, it's a wrap around. It's,
No. Then the pant and dupatta is not needed
Yeah.
at all. Oh, I'm sorry, my bad.
That's okay.
I didn't notice.
You probably did not see the
I didn't see that.
cut in the front.
A joke of the day.
Yeah.
Okay, no, I'm so embarrassed now.
That's okay.
But sorry, huh, I could not, see this.
Yeah, that's okay.
So this is like to be worn a single piece only.
Yeah, and this is a vacation wear, completely kind of an outfit. Comes with new, cute darts also, like, which makes it, which gives a good shape to your body. These are boutique finished ones.
Yeah, these are all boutique finished outfits.
Correct. Because
Beautiful,
that's when you get this kind of a fit. Otherwise, you're not going to. It's going to be like.
It's a vacation wear.
Yes. So I think I'll.
But try getting those normal ones also, na?
Yeah, I will.
Noodle strap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The next collection I'm planning for something really nice, but I'm keeping it as a surprise.
Wow. And the fabric is too good, huh?
It's linen,
Linen
which is
cotton.
what I was going to say next.
Linen cotton.
Yes, it's pure, quality linen fabric. It's going to like be very flowy, nice to wear for, beach vacation. Has, cute pleated detailing towards the back also. Something unique and different. Double noodle strapped top. So I would personally like to flaunt it for my upcoming vacation. Has all the themes and right elements in it, like all the starfishes, oysters, pearls, seahorses, and everything.
Seafood.
Yes.
All the seafood is available. Seafood lovers should definitely buy this.
You can also watch it and admire it from distance,
Yeah.
Atalji, not
If
necessarily.
you cannot eat, you can always have it on your prints as a print.
Yeah. Cool. All right. So that sums up the outfit. For the quality and the kind of finish, 1899 completely justified. So go for it, people.
Cool.
All right. Next,
So, the upcoming segment is going to be 3-piece suit or 2-piece suits?
two-piece kurta sets.
2-piece kurta sets.
Yeah.
Okay. Some has dupatta as well.
Yeah, there are 4 which are like intentionally office wear,
Okay.
and then you have some which are semi-formal.
Okay.
So this is completely formal kurta set, 2-piece. The first is peach. This is again handloom cotton.
Ikat weave.
Yeah, handloom cotton, completely weaved stuff. So pricey material by itself, and then you have pants which have straight line detailing, elongates your length. So straight fit pants, collar like this. This is called for some reason it's called flight collar. I don't know why, but
Flight.
yeah,
Okay.
flight collar. But it has like V and 2 layers of collared style. So it has this pink and green color theme going on. Very subtle, nice to carry for office wear. All of these are going to be priced at 1895. Comes with cotton lining. Comes with pockets in the pants. Okay, so this is number 1 of such outfits. I'll get the second one, which is a turquoise green.
Turquoise green, yes.
Right, has peach butta works, or the jacquard weaving that you call it. So this is again handloom material. Just want to like show you. And then we have flat collars, a slight V towards the front. The pant has straight lines, and then the length of the sleeve is a 3/4, and then you have a slit towards the sorry, this is not a slit, but this is something which is attached. So this will like fold in the front when you actually wear it, creates a nice look. And the more you pull your sleeves up, it's going to like make you look thinner. So it's intentionally done again to like make you feel and look slimmer.
Alright.
Comes with cotton lining completely, priced at 1895.
All right.
The next is what I personally like because of the Jamdani style. White with red and black. The collar is very, very cute and nice. It has like a curved collar style. So all of these are feminine, yet something that you can carry off professionally, right? Formal type of outfits. The pant is not straight fit. This is loose fitted palazzo style.
This is a very, very beautiful article. In a way, it is a showstopper piece in 2-piece segment.
Yes.
Okay, it's a very nice fabric weavers, very nice color combination, very nice weave. Everything is perfect.
Yeah. People specifically asked for office wear.
Very good, very
So intentionally done and hope this video justifies.
Yes.
The sleeves is 3/4 and then you have a slit towards the end. Extremely nice to carry for professionally. Completely cotton lined. The pant has pockets. 1895 is the price.
All right. So shipping is free on order value 1,500 and above. Below 1,500 shipping will be charged at actuals.
Yep.
Next.
The next is a lavender and green combination.
Mustard green.
Yes, kurta set. The beauty is in the half collar and a deep neck. So nice to show off your dainties. And then the sleeve is also 3/4 with a little bit of the green showing up.
Detailing,
Yes. And then the actual prettiness is coming in the slit of the kurta, which looks very nice when you actually like wear it, right? And then I think the pant is pretty much the same. You have a straight fit pant, comes with pocket, top is completely lined. 1895 is the price.
All right.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Kota Doria.
Kota Doria has an interesting story
Acha?
because we launched it or tested and tried it for your shoot Atharji last time. I think we sold out on all of
Kota checks wala?
yeah,
Kota Doria.
yeah,
Okay.
the 2-piece sets. 1499 is the price point. The same price point this time. We just added one new color.
This is, let me tell you something, this is not the blended Kota Doria.
Yes,
Blended Kota Doria comes in cotton plus synthetic.
true.
Now, this is pure cotton. Kota Doria cotton suit, which has a lining inside, mull cotton lining, and this is the premium Kota checks.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And to sustain it, it has lining
Yes.
for sustainability.
Yes.
Okay? So, बिंदास खरीदिए आप, बहुत अच्छा है. अरे वाह, इसके
So-
shoulders puffy हैं.
Yeah,
Wow,
puffy
wow,
and then
wow.
3/4 length.
Mind-blowing fitting, Vasudha ji.
It will look
Seriously.
very nice for office wear again.
Seriously,
And
it's a
college
compliment
wear.
from my side. If you have designed this, seriously, it's very good. And I think the color combination is very
Nice. Last time we had Kota dupatta, the synthetic Kota dupatta. We just swapped it with Mal dupatta this
Mal
time.
dupatta. Okay. This is very pretty dress. Very pretty.
Yeah, definitely something that you can add if you did not go for.
And color viewers, आप लोग तो यही color ढूंढते हैं. You look out for such colors only.
Yeah.
So this is orange color, I believe, है ना?
Yes, yeah, peachy orange.
Peachish orange.
Yeah, and the dupatta has like enough colors for you to mix and match it with
And you
any
can
other
pair
color.
your dupatta with some other dresses also
True.
because it has yellow color also, Brahma green also, red also, pink also.
Yeah,
So it's a multi-shade dupatta.
yeah. Price of the 2-piece set is 1499.
1499.
Yep.
All right.
Single kurti motor. Okay, now this is just a single piece kurti,
Yeah, tunic, long tunic.
long tunic. This is openable. Okay. We have collar detailing towards the front, which has the style collar. If you can like take a closer
Zari
look.
also, zari
Yeah,
weave.
yeah. Something you can definitely carry off for your office purposes as well as little smaller parties and functions because of the sequence work available. Completely embroidered, has shell button detailings which are not openable, which are completely sealed, but only the first hook is openable, and the back looks like this.
Like this.
Okay. The price of the article is 1350. It's completely cotton lined. It's a
All right.
cotton embroidered kurti with complete cotton lining at 1350.
All right.
Okay. So we will do the 3-piece sets now.
This is the party wear.
Yeah, this is a party wear.
So
So
you can buy for the upcoming festivities,
Yeah.
for pre-wedding functions.
yeah.
So
So last time the scallop sets that we had, if people recall,
this is
Where-
semi-tussar, na?
this is raw silk actually.
Pure raw silk or
This is
semi-raw silk?
So silk and cotton.
Cotton raw.
Yes.
Mixture of cotton
Cotton
and raw
and-
silk.
yes.
So it's a blended raw silk.
Yeah, you can feel it in the texture. It's a very
Yeah,
superior
yes.
quality fabric.
Superior quality, and it has mull cotton lining inside and Buta
Weaves.
all over and
Yeah.
V-neck with katha stitching.
Yeah.
And half sleeves with katha stitching.
Yeah, it has like a little bit of patchwork in the front also to not make it a regular V. And I think I'm going to show you the pant is when you will probably
Pant
like,
is a natural silk color.
yeah.
Ghicha tussar.
Yeah, Gicha Tussar, exactly.
Ghicha tussar.
Dupatta is also of the
Desi
same.
tussar, Ghicha tussar. You know, looks, huh? There's not Ghicha tussar is of course
Yes,
expensive, viewers.
for
It's
sure.
a blended Ghicha tussar.
It's not Tassa, it's raw silk only, but the texture looks exactly like
Yeah,
Gicha
I mean
Tussar.
it's a semi. You can
Yeah.
say that way, but it looks like Ghicha tussar.
True. And do you think the pant is going to be like a regular straight fit pant?
No, no, it will be parallel.
It will be a parallel pant.
Yeah.
I'm going to like reveal it
Let's
now.
see. with
The
good
pant,
grip,
yes,
is it?
the pant has
Yes.
this detailing towards the end,
Hmm.
right?
Comfort fit pants.
Which is not available anywhere. I'm telling you, I'm the first person to launch such a kind of pant for this kind of a fabric. So the actual beauty lies in the pant. I want to like always do something new for my people. I like to wear them personally, so I want to like do it for my people as well. So one of such creations is this, a very very pretty sophisticated three-piece set priced at 2299.
2299.
Double, sorry, 2199.
2199.
Yes.
Okay.
Top is completely cotton line. The pant has pockets on one side, and that
And
is the dupatta.
dupatta.
If you haven't,
Full length and width dupatta.
yeah,
So even this is I think Chanderi.
no, this is also raw silk only.
Sorry, this is raw silk. Raw silk.
Yeah.
Dupatta is also semi raw silk.
Yeah.
Okay. Next.
Next, we'll see this lavender number.
Mm-hmm.
This is again, this is actually blend of tussar and cotton. Because of the weaving, you need to like give it some grip. So these are handlooms from South India. So people will tend to like mix it with cotton. So you can see the shine, the shine of tussar coming up, but at the same time the grip of cotton. So it's a blend of cotton and
It's cotton silk actually.
yeah. And then the pant looks like this. It's a straight fit pant, but has beautiful detailing towards the end. It'll look very classy when you wear it. The top portion has a V-neck, and then you have like loops which are very pretty and
Interconnected, yes.
Yes, and then the back looks like this. The sleeve also has the same crochet lace going on. Okay, the price is the same, 2199. The dupatta is again beautiful here. I'll just quickly open up and show the dupatta as well. So this is the dupatta. It has zari weaving on one side, and then you have this lavender shade going on both the sides. Okay, and there's one more color in this. It's the same kind of
Carrot
dupatta.
red.
Yeah, it's carrot red. The top has V scallop neck, right? And then you have sleeves which have taping detailing going on. The pant again is cute here. It has these wavy patterns. Price at same, 2199 for the three-piece set.
All right.
Okay. I think the last is an add-on. These colors we've already seen in the last video. These fabrics we can constantly source. We did majorly sell out on these, but we've managed to stock the fabric up. And this time we're adding a difference of dupatta. The dupatta is this time I think this is Chanderi.
Chanderi.
Yeah.
Tissue Chanderi.
Tissue Chanderi,
Tissue
floral
Chanderi.
printed, but the price is, I think last time it was just a two-piece set, 1899. This time it is 2199.
2199 with Buddha weave all over the suit.
Yeah, it's scallop. If you've forgotten
It's
or if you want to like
semi-silk,
see,
okay?
there are
It's
new people.
semi-silk.
You have scallop towards the end also.
Bottoms.
Yes, and then the same for this color as well. The dupatta has
Wine color.
wine color.
And this is the color of the dupatta.
Dupatta.
Tissue Chanderi dupatta with floral digital prints.
Yeah.
All right. That's it. Huh?
That's it. That's it. No.
All right. So that was all at Butterscotch Women, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Okay. And thank you, Vasudha ji. And whoever is interested in visiting the store may definitely come and visit and have a look at the collection and buy for yourself, for your shop, etc., etc. And the description box, their address is appearing in the description box. Numbers are flashing on the video screen. In case of any kind of doubt, okay, please consult the team. They will certainly help you out. Okay, and thank you, viewers, once again for your love and support that you have been giving to all our vendors, and Butterscotch Women is one amongst them. थैंक यू सो मच. वाइंड करते हैं अपना एपिसोड आज का. विल कैच अप विद यू वेरी सून. टिल देन गुड बाय एंड हैप्पी शॉपिंग.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
all. Bye.